Rohit sir, I think he's joining. Parvez, let's begin the session. So good afternoon, everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. So let's begin the today's session. In the meanwhile, our chairman will join. So good afternoon, everyone, to this two-day training on PMS, Practice Management Software of ICAI, and Azure AI and Azure AI. Today we will be conducting session on PMS of ICAI. So today we have with us Mr. Parvez Surani from Ahmedabad. He will be taking you the session for the 2 hours. For next 2 hours, he will be taking the command of the session. So I will begin with this introduction. He is a master of computer applications and currently working as a project manager in an IT-based company, having a 12-year experience. He has dedicated to serving accounting professionals, gaining an in-depth understanding of their standards workflow and providing tailored solutions that embrace their practice management. His familiarity with local and global standard workflows of accounting professionals enables to deliver solutions that meet international based best practices and regulatory requirements. He is currently notably the project manager of the ICI's PMS initiative. In this capacity, he has been instrumental in leading the development and implementation of robust PMS software specially designed for chartered accountants. So, good afternoon, Parvez.
Good
Nice to see you again, sir. So let's begin the session. In the meanwhile, our chairman will join.
Yes, sir. I have joined, sir.
Join, sir. So we have with us today Chairman CMP, who is the leader of the team, and he will be guiding you about the initiatives of CMP. So over to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Sachin bhai. Very good afternoon to Parvez ji and all my professional colleagues for joining today's program on the training of practice management software. So it is a great day for all of us, and of course, the CMP committee is trying its level best to equip and to do the capacity building of our professional colleagues. This time, this is the practice management software which is being provided free of cost to all our members. So my sincere request to each and every member to kindly be with the speaker to understand how to make it practically possible the usance of this practice management software in their offices to make your office paperless. So it is a good software, and kindly keep your suggestions posted to the committee, whatever things you are expecting from the committee. We'll always try our best to incorporate the suggestion from the membership, and we'll work together for the betterment of the profession. So I'll not take much of the time today. A lot of activities and initiatives are being done by the institute, and a lot of tie-ups are there. Members are requested to visit the cmpbenefit.ici.org website, where they can find more than 200 tie-ups which are being done with the various organizations across the country, which are helpful for our professional colleagues in their routine practice. Thank you very much. Over to you, Sachin ji. And thank you all the participants for joining today's program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your time. Thank you so much. Over to you, Parvez ji. Let's start the session without much waste of time. Okay, sir. So over to you, sir. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir. And good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Parvez Surani, from Practice Management Software Technical Team. So today I will show you about the practice management software that ICAI is giving to practicing members to enhance operational efficiency free of cost. So let me first share my screen. Okay, so my screen is visible. Okay, so let me start. So as you all are aware, the ICI has launched practice management software for CA practitioners and CA firms free of cost to enhance the operational efficiency for practicing CS. It is fully designed to cater to the unique need of CA professional. ICAI PMS is an advanced cloud platform to standardize all of office operations and making professional future ready with global standards. So it is an excellent initiative by the ICAI for its members. So through the practice management software, you can track and manage all your day-to-day activities into the practice management software, and you can put your office on auto mode. So that means if you are not available at office, still your office is running, and you can connected with your employees through the practice management software. You can also manage your office paperless by using the practice management software. So uh, it's time to streamline your firm. So managing a CA firm requires keeping everyone on the same page. You need one-stop practice management software that will empower your firm, your team, and your clients. It allows you to streamline the processes and work together easily and efficiently at every step of your accounting process. So for register to your firm for practice management software, so let me show you how you can register for the practice management software. So for registration, you have to go to the website of cacloud.ca.in. So let me show you. You have to type on in browser cacloud.ca.in. So this is the website from where you can register for your firm. So here you will get all the information related to practice management software. So to register for your firm, you have to click on register here button, which is available on top corner. So when you click on register button, so you will be redirected on the registration page. So here you have to add your membership number. So when you add your membership number, your FRN and your firm detail will be auto-populated over here. And then you have to click on the submit button. So your request for the practice management software will be uh, come to the technical team, and within 6 hours you will get the credential of the practice management software onto the principal onto the register email on the principal. So then you can able to access the practice management software through the credential which you received on your email. And then you can create the multiple IDs of your employees, of your partners, or of your staffs. And they will also able to use the practice management software through that credentials. So you can register from here. The website is cacloud.ca.in. So I kindly request to all of you, if you still not register for the practice management software, then go to the cacloud.ca.in website and register for yourself for the practice management software. There are so many modules available into the advanced practice management software. So it is like task management module, document management, account management, client management, communication management, employee management, email scheduler management, and calendar control module. So these all features are available on single platform. So you can manage all your day-to-day activities within the practice management software. So first, I will show you briefly of all the modules, and then we will go with in brief into then we will see all in detail in our demo version of the practice management software. So the first module is task management. So managing tasks, subtasks and deadlines is surely a tedious job. But with the PMS, you can organize your team's workflow, make better decisions, and achieve more of your goals with satisfied clients. So a better way to take control on your task and streamline your processes. So using the task module, you can streamline your task flow and you can manage all the activity related to your task, and you can manage all the deadlines through the task management. Then the next module is document management. So through the document management, you can manage your office paperless, and you can available any document to your client within a few clicks. You can also track all your inward and outward documents into the system. You can also send the reminders to your clients regarding your services or any pending document related. Or you can also track or set the system of the documents related to specific task through the document management module. Then the accounting management is also there. So you can manage all your financial activity through the practice management software. You can create the invoice from the practice management software. And if you don't want to create the invoice first, then you can also first create the pro forma invoice, and then you can convert it into the final invoice. You can also get the margin information report, like what you expected for specific task and what is the actual time spent from your employee and what is the costing you have for specific task. So all the activities you can manage through account management. Then client management module is also available. So you can manage all client activities from your mobile application is also available. So you can give the login to your clients also, so they can easily see all the detail related to his task, his invoices, and all the things. You can also manage the clients group wise, and you can also search clients using variety of filters and manage real-time activities on your fingertip. Then the communication management is also available. So you can manage, schedule, control, and automate your team's task using the different communication channels of the practice management software. So you can plan your communication process with accurate solutions. And you can also set the scheduler from the practice management software. So at the specific time interval, system will automatically fire the notification to the clients. Then the employee management is also available. So you can maintain all your staff by managing their database, documents, role and hierarchy, attendance, timesheet, and all the reports through the professional work cultures. You can stay connected with your employees from the anywhere, anytime. So this is the cloud-based software. So you can access it from anywhere at any time. So no need to access at specific time. Then the email scheduler is also available. So you can manage all important checkpoints efficiently. You can set the scheduler on specific time interval, so system will automatically fire the notification to your clients or to your employees. So email scheduler is also available. So these all modules are available into the practice management software. So to check the features of the software, this is the demo credential through which you can log in into this software and check all the features of the practice management software. So let we check all the features in detail in this demo application. So we will open this application into the browser. So the demo version is ICAI PMS demo.cacloud.ca.in. So when you register for your firm, you will get one URL to access the practice management software, which is unique for your firm. So through that URL, you and your staff will be able to log in into the practice management software. So when you enter this URL into the browser, you have the login page of the practice management software. So you have to enter your username and password, which you have received into your mail when you register for practice management software. So here I will log in from the administrator credential. So we have to add the username and password, and then we have to click on submit button. So when we click on the submit button, we will be redirected on the dashboard of the practice management software. We can also say the home page of the practice management software. So first, I will show you what things is covered into the dashboard. So first, here we have given the 4 notifications. So first is related to due task, due subtask, and reminder task. So all the tasks which due date uh, crossed, that all the tasks you will see over here. All the due subtasks you can see, and all the reminder tasks which you have sent on the reminder status, that all the tasks you can check from here. Then the second notification is related to approval and task approval and rejected notification. So if any employee send his task to the for the approval for his admin, so here admin can see all the tasks into the pending for approval status, and they can approve or reject that specific task. Then the email notification is also available. So if any new email come, then that email will show you over here in the notification. And the chat system is also available. So if any new message uh, came, then employee will show from here. So this is the notification. Then in the right hand side in top corner, the help desk option is also available. So from here, you can set the one-to-one meeting session for your firm with our technical team. So when you click on any link, here you will get the option to schedule the training for your firm. So from here, you can schedule training at your convenient date and time. So here you have the option to select the date and time for the training. Then in help desk, you can also able to check the help regarding the practice management software. So here is the live help is also available. So here you will get all the videos of the practice management software. So by using this video, you can get the more knowledge about the practice management software. We have created one full video of the practice management software, And we have also created the separated video module wise. So task management, employee management, client management, all the separated modules video we have also created. So that video you can check from here. So modules is also is available in live help. Then the user manual is also available. So you can download this user manual from the option given. So here you can get all the detail related to practice management software with this screenshot. So how you can use the practice management software. So that we have given the user manual. And here in live help, you will get the videos of the practice management software module wise also, and the full video is also available. So you can get the knowledge of the practice management software from here also. Then ICAI has, you can also read the FAQs, and you can also generate the ticket if you have any doubts or you need any support from our help desk side. So you can generate ticket also. Then ICAI has integrated his resources into the practice management software. So you directly route uh, into the resources of the ICAI by clicking on the ICAI resources option. So here you will get all the resources and publication of the ICAI. Here ICAI has also add the UDIN system. So from here you can directly route from to the UDIN creation. So here you can create the certificate which you require for specific services, and you can also route for central for audit quality. So this is integrated into the practice management software. And the right side, you can check the profile. You can also change your password from here, and you can log out from here. So this is the header section. Then the current job option is available. So here employee will see all the services which his senior or admin has assigned to them. So that all the services employee will show over here in current job section. Then the task status graph is also available. So from here, we can check a number of services is currently standing in which status. So like OP means on board, IP means in process, PFC means pending from client, pending from department, reminder status, and pending for approval status. So this different status is managed into the application. So we can get the overall idea like how many services is running in this in what status. So we can get easily idea. We will cover all the Q&A in the at the last of the session. So you can note it down, and we will answer all the question at the end of the session. Thank you. Then the pending inward section is available. So here we will get all the inward which came into our office. That inward we have to verify with specific services. So here we will get all the pending inward over here. Then quick link is also available. So here you can set the quick links which you need to access every day. So here you will set system pages as well as custom link. Like if any website you need to access every day, then you can set that URL over here. So you will directly redirect from here. So you can set the quick links from here. The calendar control is also available. So from here, you can schedule the appointment for yourself or for your employees. And when we schedule the appointment, your employee and your client will get notification regarding this appointment and all the detail, like on which date appointment is scheduled, on which time, what's the matter, what is the subject of the appointment, and all the things. You can also create the appointment for your client as well as any other person from here. Then the to-do option is also available. So from here, you can assign any to-do to your employee, or you can add any to-do for yourself from here. This notification is also fired to concerned employee. And then event option is also available. So from here, you can add any event, like if any seminar is scheduled for GST 3B related, or for IT return related. So you can add this event into the calendar. So every employee get the notification, and if they want to participate on that seminar or that webinar, then they can participate on it. So calendar control is also available. And then today's allocated task section is also available. So from here, employee will get all the today's allocated tasks over here. And the today's effective task section is also available. So here employee will get all the services which is effective from today's. So they get the separate task over here. So this is the home page or dashboard of the employee. So let me start all the module one by one. So to start the software, you need to set up few things. Basically you need three data to start the PMS. So that is first is your employee or your staff data. Then the second is your client, and third is your services which you are provided to your clients. So these three data is mandatory to start for the practice management software. So you can add these three data one by one, or you can upload in bulk manner. Both option is available into the practice management software. So if you want to go with bulk option, then in here in setup menu, we have given the bulk upload option. So from here, you can upload all your clients data in bulk manner. So here we have given the demo file. So you have to download this demo file and fill it with your actual data and then upload over here. So in one click, all your 1,000 or 2,000 clients uploaded in bulk manner. So you can upload your client, your employee, your task, subtask, your document type, your city. So all the options available over here. And if you don't want to upload in bulk manner, then you can add separately one by one into the system. Like if you want to add employee one by one, then here in employee menu, employee master option is available. In that new employee option, you have to click on new employee. So here you have to fill all the basic information of your employees, and you have to give the login information or the credentials. Through that, your employee will be able to access the practice management software. And you can see all the list of your employee, your client, and your task, subtask from the system. And you can also get the filter to narrow your data. So both option is available. Through bulk upload, you can upload the data, or you can add one by one as per your convenience. Then here the city master is also available. So you can add your city, country, and state detail from here, or you can add in bulk manner. Then the firm master option is available. So from here, you can add all the basic information of your firm, your firm's bank detail. So it is reflected on the invoice, your time zone, your invoice and daily report mail ID, your support details, and your GST number, PAN number, and all the things you can fill over here. And if you have a multiple firm or multiple branches, then you can also add your multiple firm or branches from here. So you can add your multiple firm over here. You can also save your form document over here. So when you require, you can easily access from the software. You can also add the tax detail which you charge to your client at the invoice creation time. So you can uh, add over here. You can also add the multiple currencies if you get the services to the outside clients and you charge them to the any other currency like in dollar or in euros, then you can add that currency over here. Then multiple invoice format is also available, so you can select as per your conveniency. So this is the firm data. Then the department master is also available. So from here you can add the departments which is reflected at the time of the services. When we add the service, then in which department service is belonging. So you can the departments over here. Then the SMTP configuration is also available. So here we have to configure the email ID through which we want to fire the notifications to our client and our employee. So here you will configure your email ID. Our technical team is guide you, and through the remote access, they will help to configure your email ID. Then the start new financial year is also available. So when we start any new financial year from here, so all the services which you have set as a recurrence into the system, that all the services will automatically recur into the software. So you don't need to start services again and again. Once you set the services on auto mode, then you don't need to remember it every month or every quarter. System will automatically generate as per the frequency, like monthly, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly. So we have to close the current year at the time of we start the new financial year on April. So we have to start a financial year once in a year. Then the internal help is also available. So from here you can set the internal help for your employees. So employee will get the help at the time of the creation of work, and they will do his task with best effort. Then the role management is also available. So from here you can define the role for your employee, for your article, or for your partner. And as per the given roles and responsibility, the specific employee will be able to access only that things which we have given over here. So first we have to create the role, and then we have to assign that role to specific employee. So here you will get all the role which you have created, and then you have to select the role and select the employee to which you want to assign this role. So when this employee log in, he will only able to access the things which we have given to rights to that specific employee. Then you can also check the list of role which you have created earlier. And if you want to editing on specific role, like if you want to remove few pages from that role, or you want to add something on that role, then here in last we have given the edit symbol. So when you click on edit button, the role will be open. So here you will remove something or add something from here. Like I don't want to give the SMTP rights and the start new financial year rights. So I will remove the checkbox from here, and then I will click on submit button. So when the employee logged in, they are not able to access this SMTP and start new financial year pages into his login. So you can define the role and assign your employee as per your requirement. Then the email SMS configuration option is available. So from here, we have given uh, all the notification fired to the employee or to the client or to admin. So from here, you can on or off this facility. So as per your configuration, system will fire the notification. If you don't need any notification, then you can off it, so system will not fire that notification from future. Then the reset password is also available. So here you can reset the password for your employee or for your client. Then you can upload bulk data from here, and you can add the document type from here. So this is the setup menu. So you need few things to set up into the practice management. So our team is always to ready to help to you. So you will schedule one-to-one training for your firm. From here, we have already discussed. So as per your convenient time, you can set the uh, training for your firm. So now we start with the task management module. So once we have the master data of our client, services and employee, then I want to start the services for my clients. So then there are two steps to start the service into the practice management software. So first we have to applicable the task for specific client, and then we have to approve that task to specific employee. Means we have to assign that task to our employee. So there are two steps. So first is task applicability. So here you have two options. One is set recurrence task, and second is start a single task. So services which is recurred at specific frequency, like monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. So that type of services you have to start from set recurrence task. So you don't need to remember that services again. Only once you have set it over here, so system will automatically create it, the services as per the frequency, like monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly. So here you have an option like based on the task or based on client. So if you want to task one service for the multiple clients, then you have to select the based on task. So here you have two options to select for task. So when you select the task, all the clients which you have added into the system, that all client you will get over here. So you can start this TDS return quarterly services for many of your clients by one click. So if you provide 1,000 client this service, then you can start on one click by using the task applicability page. So I will start one service for Harass Jewelers client. So I have click over here, and then we have to click on apply button. So this is the first step. We have to bind the task and the client. Then we have to assign this task to our employee. So the second option is the task approval. So from here, we can assign the task to our employee. So we have started the task for Harass Jewelers TDS return quarterly. So system has automatically started this task for our fourth quarter, like first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. So once we started the services, as per frequency, system will automatically generate the services. And when we start the new year, then system will automatically generated task which we have done for current year. So you don't need to start the services again. Then system will automatically start the service and assign to your employee and remind to your employee like you have to done these services. So from here you can set the reporting manager. You have to give this task to your employee, like to whom you want to assign this task. What is the effective date, like for which date you want to start this task? So you can assign the uh, time period from here. So I will give the today's date. Then you can set the deadline date from here, like uh, till which date you have to complete the service. You can also set the bill amount, and if you want to give any remarks to your client, sorry, to your employee, then you can also give the remarks over here. Then when you click on plus button, the multiple steps which you have already defined to do the to complete this work, so that all these steps you can see over here. So this is the dynamic steps you can define as per your office workflow. You can also say the checklist or the steps or procedure to complete this tedious written work. So if you want to assign any specific activity to any other employee, then you can also set employee your subtask wise over here. You can also set the deadline for specific subtasks also. Then you have to click on this checkbox, and then here we have given the approve button. So you have to click on approve. So when we approve this task to employee, employee will get one notification like you have assigned the new services. And if employee have downloaded the mobile application, then mobile application notification is also available, also come into the mobile. And employee can see he in on her dashboard on the current job section, like AB Jewelers work assigned to them. So we have assigned the task to the Raj, sorry, Abhishek. So we will log in to the Abhishek login. So we will log in Abhishek login into browser. So when Abhishek log in into his practice management software, he will get the task which already assigned by him, by his admin or his senior. So currently we have assigned AB Jewelers work, AB Jeweler clients of TDS written quarterly work. So he will able to see over here. Now employee have to update his everyday work into the practice management software. So you will get easily report like how many services is currently running in which stage, and how many work done into the specific services, and how many times spent by our employee. And you can also get the employee timesheet from the system. So to update the work of the employee, so employee have to click on the specific task that they are doing currently or today. So when he click on onto the task, here employee will get all the detail related to client and the services. So here employee will get the client name. If he required to do the communication with the client, then the contact detail of the clients, like if we require the documents for this specific task, then employee will send the notification through email or do the call on this specific number. then what is the task, what is the start date of this task, through which date I have to complete this task. If any remarks added by the admin or senior, then remarks I can able to check over here. And this is the activity which I have to done. So first I have to collect the documents from the client, then I have to prepare the challan, then I have to submit the form. So employee will able to update his everyday work over here. So here the option like in which status this task is running, like in pending stage, in process, or pending from client, pending from department, or in onboard. So we have to select the status, how many time I have spent in this specific work. So here we have three options to add the time. Like first is direct time. So in direct time, we will add the time like 1 hours, 1.5 hours, or 2 hours directly. The second option is manual timer. Means here we can define the our specific time. Like I have started the task on 2:30 and I have completed the task on 3:15. So I will specify my time accordingly. And the third option is auto timer. Means I have click on this start button. So my timing calculation will be auto started by the software. And when I click on stop button, the system will automatically calculate my time on these services and automatically enter into the practice management software. So this different mode we can add our time, and we can add any remarks like in process. And then we have to click on save button. So by this way, employee will update his everyday work into the system. So this is the way through which we can start the work assigned to our employee, and employee will able to update his everyday work into the system. And if you want to get the timesheet of your employee, then in employee menu, timesheet option is available. Here you have to click on entry wise timesheet. So from here you will get all the all the report of your employee timesheet. Like if you want to check today's report of your employee, then you have the filtering option. So by using the filter, you can get the current date report of your employee. Like in current date, your employee how many hours spent into the system. And if you want to see the specific employee wise data, like Raj Chauhan how many hours spent into last week or in last month, then you can filter employee wise also. And you can also download this data into the Excel format. So by few click, you will get the employee work data into the system. Then the next option is transfer task. So if you want to transfer any task from one employee to any other employee, then here the transfer task option is available. So you have to select the transfer from, like from which employee you want to transfer the task. And you have to select to whom you want to transfer this specific task. You can also select the multiple employee to transfer the task, and which task you want to transfer. So you can also transfer the multiple services from here, and then you have to click on transfer button. So from one employee you can transfer task to another employee. Then the task cycle detail report is also available. So from here you can check the cycle of your services, like the specific task is assigned by whom and assigned to whom. And if they have transported this task to any other employee, then whom they have transported. So all the task cycle detail you can check from here. And there are 8 to 10 filters are available. So you can use the filter to narrow the data. And you can also download this data into the Excel format. Then the task information report is also available. So from here, you can check all the detail of your specific task, like the task, when the task is started, what is the deadline date, how many hours spent by our employee, in which status task is currently running. So we have started this AB Jewelers task of TDS return. So from which date this task will be started, which is the deadline date, how many hours spent by our employee, in which status this task is running, what is the admin of this task. And if we click on this plus button, then we identify like if this task is running in process, then on which step this is running in process and in on which employees dashboard. So we can easily identify like in first activity this task is running in process. And here is work progress detail button is available. So when you click on work progress detail button, so here you will get the all the log of this activity from starting to till date. So here you can able to check the all detail of this task. And when you click on history button, so you will get all the history related to this task, the all the detail of your client, all the detail of the task. If we have collected any document for this task, then document list. If we have set any pending document for this task, then the pending document list. Then the task work list is also available, and which on which stage this task is running, on which employee dashboard. Then previous work is list. So how many work done in previously. Then the margin information. So from here you will get the margin calculation, like what you estimated for this specific task and what is the actual hours spent by your employee. So at the time of the assignment, if you have decided the estimated hours, then here you will get the comparison estimated versus spent hour, and what is your actual posting. And if you have generated the invoice, then what is the invoice amount and invoice ID. And if you have added any uh, reimbursement expenses for this specific services, then you can get that information over here. So here you will get all the information related your specific task in one page. So this is the task management of the practice management software. So through which you can manage your all tasks of your clients and get the data easily by one clicking. So we already shown like how you can start the task for your client and how you can assign it to your employee. And when you assign to employee, employee will get notification and how they can update his day-to-day work into the practice management software, and how you can get the timesheet of your employees for 1 week or for 1 month or specific date wise, how you can transfer task to one employee to any other employee, and how you will get the reports of the your specific task. So this is the task management of the practice management software. Let's we move ahead of our second module, that is document management. So here the first 3 pages is the master pages. First is document name master. So here you have to add the documents which is you generally received from your clients, like PAN number, bank statement, DSC, address proof, Aadhaar number, license number, which whatever you collect from your clients, you can add over here. Then the file location master is also available. So you can also manage your soft copy as well as hard copy into the practice management software. So here you can add your existing locations of your office. Like if you manage physically your files, your clients' files into the office. So you can add all your locations like cupboard number 1, cupboard number 2, or rack number 1, rack number 2, or receptionist desk, or anything which you manage at your office. You can add over here. And you can also add the file numbers or file labels which you have already given to the client's files. So here you can also add that file number or file label from here. So whenever you require any documents of your client, you will easily get that document. Like I want PAN card document of my ABC client. Then I will easily get like this document is situated at location 1 and file number 525. So no need to find the document either at any place. You will get easily the right location from the practice management software. Then the inward facility is also available. So you can track and manage all your inwards into the practice management software. So here you have to select the inward via, like in which way you will receive the inward, like telephone, fax, through letter, courier, email, personal, or client login. And then you have to select by which client you will receive the inward, and then if you have any remarks, then you can add, and then you have to save. So all your inwards you can track and manage into the practice management software. And if you want to see the list of inward, then inward list option is also available. So here you will get the list of inward which you have already generated into the practice management software. And if you want to see the specific clients inward, then here the filter option is also available. So you will get easily data of specific client. And if you want to editing in this inward, then edit option is also available. If you want to take the printout of this inward for your purpose, or you want to give your client to for confirmation, then you can also take the printout. And if you want to delete this inward, then you can delete it also. And if you want to download it into the Excel format, then Excel option is also available. And here the plus sign is also available. So when you click on plus, the number of documents which you have received in this inward, you can check from over here. Then the outward facility is also available. So from here, you can track all your outward documents. So if you want, if you have outward any document to your client, or to department, or to your employee, or any other person, then you can select accordingly, and you can fill detail as accordingly, and you can add the remarks inward via which way you have send the documents, telephone, fax, through letter, courier, personal, email, or SMS. So here you can also send the email to your clients to the system. And if you want to see the list of outward which you have already done, then all the list you will get from here. You can also filter data as per your requirement. You can also take the printout, and you can also download this data into the Excel format. So this is the outward facility is also available. Then the multiple outward is also available. So if you want to send any bulk notification to all your client, or to specific the client, then you can send the notification from multiple outward. In right side, you will get all the clients which you have added into the system. and in the left hand side you will get the drop downs to filter the data. Like I want to send a notification to specific groups clients, then I can filter data accordingly and I can select all. And I want to send email, then I can select on email subject notification and I will click on send button. Then this notification will go to all the clients which we have selected in one click. Then the add document manually option is also available. So from here you can add document manually. So this option is useful when you have documents already into your office and you want to upload that document into the system. So at that time you can add document from here. Then the all document option is available. So from here you will get the all document which you have added into the system. And if you have added the soft copy, then from here you can download it. And if you receive the hard copy of specific document, then here you can easily identify like this hard copy is currently on this location and on this file. So you will easily get it from the practice management software. And if I want to uh, show the specific client's documents, then we have so many filters available. So I will check from the filter. And system will also track the returnable document. Like if you have saved the document as a returnable, then system will identify like this document is returnable and we have returned or not. If we have returned this document, then what is the outward ID through which we have returned this document. So you can also track your returnable document into the practice management software. And the document tracking system is also available. So through the document tracking, you can set the documents for your specific task. So like for the TDS task, this document is compulsory. Without this document we can't do the work. So you can select for that task from here and you can select the number of document which you require to do this task. So this is the master page from where you can define the documents. Then you have to set that document for your specific client services. So from here you have to select the client and the task. And then at the specific time you want to check the status for the specific documents is received or not. Then here is the report page where you can check the how many document is received and how many document is still pending to done this work. And if you want to send the notification for this pending document, then you can directly send the notification from here also. So this is the task management of the practice management software. The next module is account management. So you can also create the direct tax invoice, or if you don't want generate the direct tax invoice, then you have option to generate the pro forma invoice first, and then you can transfer that pro forma invoice into the your tax invoice. So here you have to select the specific client for which you want to generate the invoice. So all the services you will get over here. So you can select the service and you can enter the amount and you can add any remarks. And when you create the invoice or pro forma invoice, your client will be notified like the new invoice has been generated and what is the amount, and they will also get the PDF of this invoice into his email address. And if you want to see all the invoice list or pro forma invoice list, then list option is also available. So from here, you will get the number of invoices which you have already generated. And if you want to send the notification by one click to all the unpaid invoices clients. Then here we have given the filter like pay status. So you have to select unpaid. So all the unpaid clients invoices come over here. You can select all and click on send email button. So this all client will be notified the pending invoice related notifications. And you can also take this data into the Excel format. So this is the invoice list option is also available. The next option is payment received. So from here you can add the payment amount which you have received from your client. The receipt notification is also fired to your client through the system automatically. And if you want to see the list of receipt which you collected from your clients, then here you will get the list of receipt list. Then the pending invoice list option is also available. This is the reporting page from where you can get the number of services which invoice is still pending. We have not generated the invoice. So from here you can also generate the pro forma invoice or invoice directly. So if you want to see the report of the services which invoice is still pending, then you can get that report from here also. Then the pending receipt list report is also available. So from here you will get the number of invoices which payment is still not received. So that list you will get from here. So here is the receipt list option is also available. Then the margin information report is also available. So from here, you will get the actual and estimated what you expected for this specific service, and what is the actual hours spent by your employee. And if you have configured the rate per hours of your employee, then what is the actual posting you have for specific service. And if you have generated the invoice, then what is the invoice amount and invoice ID. So from here you will get the margin information report. Then the petty cash option is also available. So from here you can manage all your day-to-day expenses from here. And if you want to see the list of petty cash, then expense deposit list is also available. So from here you will get the list of your deposit and expenses. You can also filter this data to narrow your data, and you can download this data into Excel format also. Then the client ledger is also available. So you can get the ledger of your specific clients for specific time interval. And you can also get the outstanding amount, and you can also download this report into the Excel format also. Then the ledger adjustment option is also available. So from here you can adjust into the client's ledger. Like if you want to debit any amount to your client's ledger, then you can directly debit specific amount, or if you want to credit any amount, then you can credit from here. So ledger adjustment is also available. Then the reimbursement option is also available. So from here you can add the reimbursement expense which you have expense for your client's specific services. So that you can add from here also. And if you want to see the list of reimbursement which you have spent for your client, then you can get the list of reimbursement from here. You can also get the outstanding report from outstanding amount report. So from here you will get the list of outstanding amount of your clients, and you can also download this data into the Excel format. So this is the account management. The next module is employee management. So from here you can add your employee data and create the login credential for your employee to log in into the practice management software, and you can view all of your employees data into the employee list. You can view the profile of your employee. You can edit any data of your employee by clicking on this button. You can also download this employee data into the Excel format. Then the employee can check his task schedule, like how many work is currently running, how many work they have done, and how many work will come into the future. So they can check from here. Then you can also download the timesheet of your employee. There are three timesheet available: entry wise, subtask wise, and task wise. So from here you can get the report of employee work for specific time interval. Then the free employee list is also available. So from here you will get the number of employee which is free currently. No any work uh, is in his dashboard. So you can assign any new work to specific employee. So from here you will get the free employee list. Then the employee login detail is also available. So from here you will get the login detail of your employee, like through which IP address employee logged into the practice management software, on which time they have logged in. So all the detail you can get from here. And then employee can also mark his attendance into the practice management software, and we can also get the attendance list from the practice management software. So this is the employee management module. Then the next module is client management. So you can bifurcate your clients group wise. So you can create the number of groups which you have required, and you can uh, arrange your clients group wise. Then the next option is client master. So if you don't want to add your client in bulk manner, then you can add one by one your clients from here also. And you can also add your clients multiple contacts, your clients legal documents, your clients login rights you can set from here, and you can also assign work for your clients over here. So this is the client master, and if you want to see the list of your clients, then the client list is also available. So from here you will get the list of your clients which you have already added. You can also edit any data of your clients by clicking on edit data button. If you want to see the profile of these clients, then you can view the client's profile. You can also download this client list into the Excel format, and you can also use the filter as per your convenience. Then the client contact detail is also available. So from here you will get the client contact detail and the number of file you have generated for specific client. So from here you will get that data easily. Then the cancel client task is also available. So from here you will cancel any task for your client, and you can also complete. Both option is available. You can cancel as well as complete multiple services by one click. So here we have given the cancel button and complete button. So this feature is useful when the deadline date are running in, and you don't have any time to update the services into the practice management software. So at that time, after deadline, you can complete all the services by one click from here. So you don't need to complete one by one. So this feature is also available. Then the visitor master is also available. So from here, you can add all the detail of your visitors, which who have visited your office. So here you will get option to record all your visitor entry into the practice management software. And you can also get the list of your visitors which already visited your office. So from here you can get the data of your visitors, on which date they have visited, to whom they have met, and what is the purpose for the visit. So you can get all the data over here. So this is the client management. Then the email SMS scheduler is also available. So you can set the scheduler as per your requirement. You can define the rules as per your convenience. Like I want to send the reminders to all of my GST clients. If their task is not completed and deadline date coming soon, so I have to select the that rule into the system. So I have select GSTR work, and here I will select the task which is not completed, uh, and then I have select due date. On due date I want to set this interval, and before due date, so before 15 days I want to send interval, and I want to send in every 3 days or 5 days. So here I add 3 days or 5 days into the interval days. So system will automatically fire the email to your all GSTR 3B clients before 15 days of due date, and on every 3 day system will fire regularly if his task is in process or pending from client side, or any status which is not completed, so that all client system will fire the notification. And then you can select the subject, and you can create the matter which you want to send. Here we have given the scheduler based on task. You can set scheduler based on client, or based on your employee, or based on invoice. Like if you have the policy, if invoice after 15 days, if invoice payment not received, then we want to send the reminder. Then you can select over here on created date, and after 15 days or 20 days, if payment not collected, then I want to send the reminder on every 5 days to my client regarding the pending invoice related. Then here you can set the rule as per your convenience, and you can select the subject, and set the content as per your convenience. And here import Excel option is also available. So from here you can send the bulk notification to all your clients, or all your data which you have into the Excel format. So that Excel you have to upload over here, and system will fire the notification by one click to all your Excel's data. So this is the scheduler option is also available. The next module is internal email system. So if your employee want to send the notification to each other, so they can send the email from here. They have to click on the compose email. So from here they have to select to whom they want to send the email, what's the subject, what is the matter, and if they want to send any file, then they want to uh, select or add that file also, and then they can click on send button. So from here they can internally send the email to each other. And if they want to communicate with each other through the messages, then the chat system is also available. So by clicking on chat system, they can chat through each other. So here they have to select to whom they want to send the notification, and then they have to add the content, and then click on send button. And here we have also given the all facility. So if you want to send any notification to all your employee, then you have to click on for all option. So the all employee will get that notification into the practice management software. So internal chat system is also available. So these all modules are available into practice management software. So this is the demo credential. You can also check, you can also use to check this all the features. Then PMS support system is very strong. ICI understood the importance of support in the practice management software segment. So role of user acceptance and awareness. And to cater to a large scale, we started many channels and conducted different exercise to cater to satisfy the large scale. There is online video tutorial is available. So if you want to see the video tutorial, so you have to click on, you have to go onto the cacloud.ca.in website, from where you can also register for yourself and also check all the videos which we have already created. So you can check from here. So we have created the module wise video as well as one full video of the practice management software. So by watching this video, you can gain the knowledge of the practice management software. You can also use our online help library. So we have also created the we have also created the online help as well as our manual. So you can also read this user manual also to gain the knowledge of the practice management software. We are also conducting the regular seminars, so you can attend that seminars to increase your knowledge or gain the knowledge of the practice management software. Then we are also giving the one-to-one training to specific your firm at your specific time and date. So you can also create your one-to-one from practice management software. From here, you will get the option technical help desk, from where you can click on for configuration or setup for data upload or transfer or for module training. So from here, you will schedule your firm training at your convenient. So our executive will call you and take your remote system and guide you thoroughly how you can start with the practice management software. Then we are always available on call, so you can directly call to us on our given number. So we have given the number into our cacloud.ca.in website. So you can directly contact us on our help desk number. We are always happy to help you. Then the e-Sahayata ticket system is also available. So you can generate the ticket for your query. So our executive will call you and solve your all training tickets. Then module wise seminars we have also available. So you can attend it. And we are always ready to take your suggestions and ready to update into the PMS. So this is the PMS support system. Through that, you can connect with us and gain the knowledge of the practice management software. So as I have already told you, you can access this all channel through our cacloud.ca.in website. So thank you all of you and ICI for giving this opportunity. And now, if you have any questions, so you can ask to me. So I will try my best to solve your all the queries. Okay. Okay, so over to you, Sachin sir.
So I think no query is there from the members. And
Okay.
if you have any, you can also book one-to-one session on PMS on the cacloud.ca.in. If you wish to install the same, and one-to-one session free of cost can be booked for the PMS. Just like today, the demo will be conducted one-on-one basis, and you have to book the slot for same. Am I right, Pravezi?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, participants, thank you for joining today. Today's session was conducted by Mr. Parvez, and we would like to thank him for giving us the time, and he was very calm and gentle, and he was very experienced with the PMS software, and he shared the insights crisp and clearly. So, thank you, Parvez ji. And the recording of today's session will be available on the group. It will be shared within a 1 week. Thank you, participants. We will see you tomorrow with some other speaker on different topic. Thank you. Thank you.
Some query I will get. So just a minute.
Okay.
Prachi Shah asking, the system allows duplicate task creation. Can this duplicate task creation be avoided? Yes, you can. We can avoid duplicate task creation. So yeah, no worry. Is there any availability of pre-built checklist of primary tasks? The checklist is dynamic, so as per your office workflow, you can create it also. And if you want some specific predefined, then you can get from technical team. Then the next query is, what is margin information? Please explain with the example. Sir, margin information is like when you start any work, at that time you have option to give the estimated hours, like in how many hours you are expecting to complete this work. So based on that, if the spent hour is more or less, so based on that data, you will get the margin information. Like you have completed your task as per your estimated or beyond the estimated. So you can get that report. Then is there any availability of pre-built checklist of primary task? Yes, I have already told. As of starting the class, please tell us, is the start was
They will
important?
get the recorded session. No need to answer this.
Okay. How data can be managed through this? Sir, I have already explained how you can manage your task, how you can start for task for your clients and all the data. You can also get the recording, and you can also conduct the one-to-one meeting with our support executive. So they will guide you thoroughly again. How much time does it take to implement the software fully? Sir, within 1 week, you can implement this software easily by giving only half an hours every day. So the software easily implemented into your firm. How to send notification to employees when task is allocated? We have given notification configuration page from where you will get the new task started notification. You have to turn on that notification, so employee will get notified every time when they have assigned new task. If we have two firms, one CA and other is management service, can it be integrated as well? Yes, you can add a number of your firms into practice management software. How to set up email? Uh, to set up email, you can connect with our technical team, so they will take your remote system and they will they will help to configure it. About data security, does it maintaining log of file access by staff? Sir, this is fully secure. Your data will be secure, and the SSL certificate is also attached into practice management software. So no need to worry about the data security. Can we upload all audit working paper and data on PMS? Yes, you can add the number of documents into the practice management software. There is no limitation. How to reset the test data entered. You can connect with our technical team, and you can send one email regarding the data reset, so they can reset your data. If we have a software for paper preparation like clear text, KD, can the task be integrated? No, sir. Currently, not integrated with KDK, so it is not integrated. How the client will able to understand this system? Those who does not able understand the technology. Sir, for client, it is very limited, and this is the very user friendly. So if you guide one time to the client, they will easily understand. So no worry.
One more query, sir. Can we configure our firm domain with cacloud.in so that all email IDs are displayed based on our firm domain?
Yes, sir. Email ID which is configured into PMS is your only. So you can configure any domain mail ID into the practice management software. Okay, so I
Uh,
think all. Yeah.
yes,
Yeah,
if you
all good, sir.
yes, all queries have been done. In case you have any further queries after using the software, PMS help desk is there to help you to resolve all your queries, and one-on-one session can be booked for the training session of the same, and also you will get the recording session within a week on the group that is being created on the WhatsApp. So thank you everyone. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Pravesh ji. Thank you
Yes,
so
sir.
much.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you.